Imagine a workplace where attendance is instant and contactless. No more waiting in line to sign in, swiping ID cards, or manually logging hours, and especially a system free from attendance fraud such as buddy punching.
So, hello everyone, I am Karthik, and in this video I will be giving you a video graphic presentation of our artificial intelligence project that have been conducted in the session 2024-2025. So basically it is a two-person partnered project comprising of me and Arav Sachdeva as my partner. So in this project, tasks such as problem investigation, understanding the prospect and interviewing them in order to understand their problem in a better way and coming out with a proper solution will be under my responsibility. So now let us jump into the topic. So today I will be explaining you about our model, but before I jump into that topic, I want you to understand the thing that why have we created this model, what was the use of creating it, and what kind of problem is it actually solving. So basically, educational institutes, offices and other organizations where attendance is a part of mandatory criteria, we're facing some kinds of fraud in marking the attendance, because the methods such as manual sign-ins and card swipes involve multiple frauds such as buddy punching. So, in this conventional methods of marking attendance, any alternate person in place of another third person goes and marks up their attendance, leading to unproductivity for that organizations. So, in order to solve that and minimize the chances of frauds that have been done in case of marking the attendance, we have created a model which we have named as face recognition attendance system. So what basically it does, it reduces the chance of fraud that can be done in the conventional models such as card swipes and manual sign-ins. And also it is less time consuming, and additionally you don't have to store the records, which are the huge problems that comes in the manual sign-in methods, where the records of the person whose attendance have been marked have to be stored properly so as to keep the records. But in this model, all the records have been stored digitally. So whenever you wish to view the records of the ones whose attendance have been marked in order to calculate their presence and their overall performance in the field of attendance, so you can basically visit that and check it anytime. Now, to know how this model was created, the main programming and the coding that we did in order to create this model, and in order to evaluate it, Arav Sachdeva, one of my partner, will be explaining it to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arav and my role in this project is model designing, model training, model testing, system designing and data studying. Let me show you in detail how the model works. It is pretty simple. Our model stores the data, especially the facial features of our users, and then whenever someone stands in front of the camera, it captures an image of them using OpenCV. Once it captures the image, it tries to match the facial features of the person with the stored data using face recognition library. Once it finds a match, it saves their attendance in a CSV file, which can later be easily accessed using Microsoft Excel.